Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Samsung off-campus is hiring freshers. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the job role or the job title, so it is for software development engineer, and the salary or the CTC, it is 8 to 15 lakhs per annum, and the experience needed for the job role, it is for freshers, and the job or the work location is Chennai. So coming to the eligibility criteria, so the education or the qualification needed, it is for B or BTech or MSc graduates from computer science, information technology, electronics and communication. EEE, E and E streams are eligible, and the batch eligible is for 2023, and the percentage criteria, it should be 7.5 CGPA or 70% throughout in 10th, 12th as well as in graduation, and there should be no standing arrears to apply for this particular job role. So coming to the technical skills, so the main skill is you need to be strong in any of the programming skills. It can be either C or C++ or Java, core Java programming, and you need to have strong understanding of data structures and advanced algorithms, problem solving as well as debugging skills. Then coming to the selection process, so the first round, it's a GS80, that is Global Samsung Aptitude Test, and the second round will be technical followed by coding test, and the third round will be technical interview, and the last round will be the HR interview. So these are the 4 rounds which are included in the selection process. So then coming to the application link, it's a Google document form, so you need to fill your basic details like your full name, your college name, your education details and everything, and after that if you have any standing arrears you can mention yes or else you can mention no, and your percentage, everything, and you can add your LinkedIn profile, and then afterwards you just need to rate your programming skills, whichever you are proficient in, either good, excellent or anything, and then have you attended for an interview with Samsung before. So if you have attended, so you will not be eligible. So if you have attended before 6 months, so you are not allowed to attend for this interview, and you need to, the main thing is that the immediate joiners are needed and ready to work in Chennai location. So today is 25th, so the interview will be conducted on 28th June 2023. So the link will be provided in the description. So since it's a Google document form, so they are going to close immediately, so you can just fill all your details and submit the application form. So within 1 or 2 days you will get link for the online so for the written test. After that, and then it will be followed by interview, which will be conducted on 28th June in Chennai office. So you can quickly go and apply for this job role. So in the next video we'll discuss the test pattern and everything, so the various sections that are included in aptitude test and in coding round. So we'll discuss it in the next video. So do apply for this job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.